Presents. What'd the Easter Bunny do? The Easter Bunny brought presents?
Basket over there.
Yeah, why don't you bring your mini basket in here? Mommy did it. Mommy brought it.
It's right there.
Are there any more in your bed? You sure?
There's a purple one.
There's a purple one, yeah. More. Did you look up? Not that high. On your bed?
On your bed.
I think I see a gold one. Does the Mickey Mouse like the clubhouse? Does the Easter Bunny like the clubhouse? Yeah? How do you know? Cuz? Because he left Easter eggs on the clubhouse.
I see one more.
There's one more egg. It's yellow with blue and red circles.